Hi everyone. So current week analysis, let's see what is a weekly candle analysis on the gold chart. Okay. So last week analysis, I told you the market will come down and it will go up. So this is the moment. So I thought of price will little more down, but what will happen is in the sideways, the market has been moved. Okay. So now currently the 4-hour chart, the market says it's in a sideways. So there is a chance the price will hit this resistance zone and can have a fall also. That is also there. But according to the SMC, let me tell you what happened here is we have a minor change of character in this case. Okay. So this change of character is confirmed that the market is again it is moving to the upside only. Okay. So to make a upside move, it need to break this high. Okay. Once this 400 4040 is breakout. If it is breakout only, we can confirm still the market is moving upside. Okay. Let us confirm whether this point is moving up breakout or it is going to come in down inside the chart. Okay. So as of this setup, the price is showing will go more downside, not to the upside. Okay. Fine. Let's see what happened in terms of week and month. Later we'll come to this and we'll confirm whether it is an upside or a downside chart in this. Okay, so let's go for a weekly analysis. See, in weekly analysis, when you take the week candle, the prices have this setup. Okay, so it shows that 3 inside down candle scenario. Okay, so in weekly, this last week we got only a small weak candle we got here. Okay, that is doji. Now what the price will do in this week, let me tell you, the last it is has taken a support from the FEG and it is going to try to go upside. This is what the week. Okay, so this week I expect the price to be the bullish only. Okay, there is a chance the price will go bullish in the weekly analysis because it has taken a support from this part and the one candle bullish candle will expect. Okay, bullish candle is an expectation in this price action setup because this 3 inside down is not satisfied the condition. Okay, because it shows that pressure in the upside. What is the pressure? We got a pressure of buying pressure to the upside. So there is a chance you may get a smaller, a little lower wick even sometimes. So what the wick in the sense, the price might be come again back to this level and take the support and it may go again upside. So I'm telling at the end of the week, the gold is going to be upside move. Okay. The weekly, as per this chart, the weekly analysis, the prices, okay, prices bullish. Prices bullish on bull, bullish on weekly candle. Okay, so it may rise from this. So there is a chance the price will take a support from there is a chance the price will take a support from here even. Okay, this levels can be a support level. Which is the level support level? Again, 3900 is a support level. Okay, support level is it is 3 even 3900. If it not comes also some 400 levels it will come and it will go. Okay, that is the support level. And where will be the next resistance is this is the next resistance we have. So I don't think so that may cross. So up to this resistance we can expect. So here our resistance zone is around 4027 that 245. Okay, so in this weekly candle range the resistance can be 4100. Okay, 4100 is the resistance zones we have. So these according to the weekly analysis of the chart. So let's see in the how and why the price is moving still upside in the day candle analysis. Then we'll conclude that this market is still going to upside or still going to downside possibilities there or not. Okay. So as per this price action setup, what I'm trying to say is the weekly analysis is going to be the bullish because it has been created a doji in the past market. So there is a chance we can say the price can be a bullish only in this week. So when you want to take a bullish trade, we have to go for a buy side. Okay, buy side on gold. Okay. So let's see the price, how it is going to be happen in the coming days of the day candle analysis. Let's move to the day candle analysis. So this as per the price action I have given you, it's a buy side, the market will start moving upside. Okay, let's see whether in the day candle the price has confirmed the upside or not. Okay, so here you see this is a day candle analysis. Okay, so this day candle chart shows that here this FEG, the price has been crossed. Okay, so crossed means it has been went downside FEG. Okay, this up to this demand level, it has been went. Which is the demand level? This is the demand level. Okay, this market takes a support to that. If there is another one FEG, if you mark this FEG, you may get it. There is another one FEG. This is an FEG. This FEG, the price is eventually tested. Okay, so this price has been tested. You see what kind of thing it has been created. So it created lower low. Okay, here the price at this FEG cross and create a lower low and create a high. Okay, price has created lower high in this case. Okay, we'll keep a lower high in this case. After that, the price doesn't come to create a lower low. What is the price is created? The price is created higher low in this case. Okay, if market create a higher high, then you need to wait the prices cross the higher high. Okay, if this price is going to create this logic at the case of FEG level, breakout, then price come, tested, then it moves. Got it? So you need to wait for the higher high. If market created, then you will go for a buy side scenario only. Okay, so buy side is far better when you go for a gold on the daily candle analysis. So you wait and see whether this day is going to break the last lower high.
Playing the
Okay,
live broadcast
this
of all
last lower
media
high.
channels.
So this is a bullish market is showing bullish trend has been again started to go upside move. Okay, so you need to wait which is the resistance at this point of thing. Okay, at this point of case, you need to wait. The price is crossing this resistance. This is the first resistance zone. Okay, this resistance zone is here. Let us check with the Fibonacci what is an resistance over here in this case. This is the resistance we have. See, our resistance level is this is the first resistance level we have. Okay, and bottom resistance currently resistance level is 4005. Okay, this is a one resistant. This will be have to break, but we need to wait until this resistance to break. Then you will focus on this resistance zone. Okay, these in day candle wise, I'm marking the resistance zones, which are the top resistance zones we have in this case. Okay, so you can take the support at this bottom level as a support. Got it? So what will be the resistance in this case? This is resistant. This is also a resistant point. This is also the resistant point, and this is a support. Okay, this level is support. So let's see how this price is going to take. So what will be the resistance in this case? Okay, the resistant, the top resistance. What I mean here is this resistance is this level. Okay, R1 level. Let me mark this R1 level. What is that? Our first resistance level is R1 is it is we have 407 4074 is a resistant 1 level. Okay. Resistant 2 level is, R2 level is, R2 level, we have 4140. Okay, this is R2 level. Okay, 41. Redraft. R2 level is 4140. Okay, this is a second resistance zone. And the third resistance is R3 level is 4188. Okay, 4188 is the R3 level. So support level is, the support level is 39, sorry, 3868 is a support level. So you, if you want the point variation, you take it from the fib. Okay, so this shows that the market is going to the bullish. Okay, why the reason is bullish, let me tell you, with the concept of liquidity and higher time frame analysis. Okay, so here the main matter is R1 level to be breakout. Okay, R1 level if break only, the price will goes to the bullish. That is what the main formation of this price action. Okay, hope you got it. Now let's come to the 4-hour chart and we'll discuss what is happening in the 4-hour time frame of the chart. Okay, so 4-hour time frame. See, I have drawn this picture in this case. So what is happening? You see this, as per the SMC, the price has been given a change of character and it has been taken from this demand zone and the market is moving to this zone. Okay, this zone is the demand zone. In this case, the price is going to the upside. Okay, so it's a 4-hour demand zone is formed. Okay, so market taken as support, so there is a chance of prices going to the upside. So if the price break this low, okay, if the price is they break this low only, there is a possibility. But in this case, the market is clearly, it has been open also. Okay, we need to wait whether this resistance zone is break. Sometimes it come and retest and it will went, sometimes it will go as it is. Okay, so this resistance is more important where the price is going. Okay, so as of now, you may ask what is happening in this kind of scenario. This, the most thing is the market is in sideways. Okay, currently the market is in sideways, so you just wait. Sometimes it may touch and come here also, possibility is there. Okay, so this change of character clearly stating that the market is in bullish trend, not to be a bearish. Okay, as per the setup, the market is showing it need to be an upside, not to be a downside. Okay, but anyhow, we'll see a liquidity part, how the market is, where it is exactly going to move. Whether this high, lower high we mentioned, right? Whether this lower high it is going to take a step, or whether it is going to lower low it is going to take a step. Okay, so fine. Let's see a liquidity uh, here. This liquidity swing will take and will identify where is this liquidity is going to reside. See, here in this case, if you see, our next liquidity, high liquidity is residing here. Okay, what is the liquidity point? Okay, here the top liquidity point is, top liquidity is, the range is, I think, this range. This is the liquidity point. 40, okay, 4046.38 is the highest liquidity point is resided. So this seems that the market is going to take this liquidity is a main important. And the low liquidity, if you focus, the low liquidity point is here, but the price range on the low liquidity is, let us have what liquidity point this price is residing. It is 38. Okay, this is 3885.26. This is a low liquidity. Now you just answer me in the comment section which liquidity is market is going to collect, whether this liquidity or top liquidity. So that this is an answer what I have given you. The market, if it want to go, it may go to the top liquidity to collect. So in the case of top liquidity, you see this is a smaller liquidity of 1.239 million liquidity. Okay, and there is another 3.52. So this collection only the market came down actually. Now you understand, if it is want to collect it, it is fully collected, then it should cross inside and then only it has to go. Okay, so that what I'm saying, the price will move. Okay, the price will, where it go, it has taken here and it came here. This directionally, intentionally market move. Now this price will go upside. If it want, it will travel in this case. Okay, this is the 4 hour chart as per my view, and the trend also it focus on the upside. So this 4 hour also showing that there is a possibility of buy side weekly move candle on the analysis. Okay, so 4 hour candle is showing the bullish momentum. Okay, showing bullish side momentum. So we have to wait which side it can be going to happen. Okay, so we approximately, when you see the market, the structure will be in this formation we expect. Okay, so what uh, my point of view is resistant resistant support, right? So it need to break. Suppose it is falling, it may go here. Okay, here one block is there, that's what market rejected. But you can wait and see if this is going to happen upside or not. Okay, let's go and check what is happening in the current of the 1 hour candle on the gold. See, this is the 1 hour chart on the gold. Okay, so this shows that the price created a minor change of character, in this case buy side. So it's a possibility of buy side. Okay, there is no sell side momentum in this case. So um, this buy side, to make more buy side, it to break this high. Okay, if it has to break this high, it has to break this high, then you can ensure that the price to be bullish in this case. So there is no worries whether the market is until the breakout, or you can either, if you are avoiding the trade, you can see. And why you are saying buy side, why the market is not going to fall, if you ask me, let us see what is the weekly newses are going to be there. Okay, this is a current week news is going to happen. So today there is uh, no, nothing high impactable news is not there. But in 11 also USD news is not there. Okay, when that first 3 days, okay, of this week there is no newses, and we have a major news. See, always you know that what will be the major news in the market when you consider for the gold. So this major news, or here it is, either you have to say take either a CPI news is there, okay, or N NPF news is there, or you have to see FOMC news is there, or you have to see a Fed chair news is there. Okay, Fed chair speech is there. These are the major impact of the news. Okay, apart from that, taking the larger quantity, if these news are not there, then avoid the taking of larger quantity of trade. Okay, so here if you see, in this case, what is a news which is remaining is we have only CPI news is there. That CPI news is there on where it is on Thursday. Okay, so there can be an affected on move of big move. We can find it on the Thursday, not on the other days. Okay, so the CPI news we have Thursday and Friday we have. So if we focus on these 2 days, there that can be the major impacted news can be helpful of. Okay, so major impacted news should be any of this case. Okay, major impacted news should be below of any of these only. uh, Okay, only we have, but currently we don't have any major impact. So only the minor impact for the current 3 days. So we have to ensure that how the price is going to, okay. So we have to wait and have to see this price will going to affect on our gold today or not. So there is no affected. It seems the price currently in 1 hour like this. This 1 hour shows that upside range of the pattern. And here you see here few liquidity in 1 hour. If when you take, there is again still there is a lower liquidity is resided. Okay, this is a lower liquidity, but here is another liquidity is resided. But you compare which liquidities the market is need to collect. Okay, so this trend line shows that the market still like this. Okay, this move like this, it will go in 1 hour according to the 1 hour, but we can't ensure that the price will go completely upside, but we need to wait whether it is going to break or this is going to break this side. Okay, see, as of now I can say that currently the market structure is in the sideways. Okay, so this sideway ended only, we know that which side we have to go. So as per this setup, the market is showing currently an upside move of projection of the trend. Okay, that is what I told you in the current month, week. Okay, current week, the price is going to be the bullish point of view at my point of sense. Okay, so this is what about the bullish trade only we can favor is safer. Okay, bearish can be possible, but less times. But anyhow, if some case, okay, sometimes what happened, this 4 hour chart, if it comes here, okay, if it comes here, let's see this 4 hour chart, if comes here like this, then it can have a down also possible. Okay, but you have to wait until I'm saying right this point to be breakout, this head point to be breakout, then you can ensure the price is going to be more sure on the buy side. Okay, you just decided which side price break, then you can take the trade. So as per the setup, the market is showing a bullish side entry on the gold. Hope it is useful. In the next live, next weekly analysis, we'll see in the next video. Okay, hope it is you got it.